Alright, welcome everyone. First day of my mask week. This is a Condor with Brad Turner as the pilot slash writer. I have lost his mask so far. I'm not sure. It might come. I might stumble upon it at some point. But mask. It was one of those classic '80s TV show slash commercials to sell toys. Had the they're secret agents that fought Venom, the bad guy version of them, and they all had like convertible vehicles that turned. This one went from the motorcycle to a helicopter. One of the interesting, to me, it was sort of cool. Here at the front, you'll notice when you put the rotor blades up, his antimatter gun pops up. This one pretty much the simplest of all the M.A.S.K vehicles. I don't recall another one being this simple to operate. There are some that sort of fudged it. They just sort of shot off another piece that was not as trying to think. No, this is definitely the simplest one, but it was also one of my most favorite ones. I just always thought that was something that looked like it could be, in my 8 or 9 year old mind, possible. You could put helicopter rotors on a motorcycle like that and it would fly. I realize that's not really how stuff like that works, but now, back then I could enjoy it. But anyway, it's a simple little vehicle, so that's all about it. Really need to say about that one, I think. Let's say the figures are, I think, just so they could get the vehicles side, the figures are really small, and they most of them come with they all came with a mask. Well, I guess except there was one that didn't, but I don't. But he was a kid. But let's say that's Brad Turner. One more good look at the motorcycle. Had the logo of the secret spy organization on the side of his motorcycle, of course. And I was like, I liked them. I got several of these still, and I'm sure I've lost a few over the years. But anyway, I've babbled on about this long enough. I will let you go, and we'll get going tomorrow with probably the jackhammer. What I'm looking at over here today, and that's a fun little one too. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure to subscribe because it's going to keep going for a while. Bye.